What if I told you that a simple kitchen ingredient could boost your health, improve digestion, and even help balance your body naturally? That's exactly what 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar a day can do. In this video, we'll uncover the healing benefits of apple cider vinegar, explain the best way to use it safely, and share the exact methods you can follow at home. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll also reveal some important precautions that most people ignore. Apple cider vinegar, often called ACV, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy. It contains something known as acetic acid, which gives it powerful antibacterial and healing properties. It supports digestion by helping your stomach break down food. It balances blood sugar levels, which is especially helpful if you experience energy crashes after meals. It can promote weight management by reducing appetite and making you feel full. And thanks to its antioxidants, apple cider vinegar helps fight inflammation in the body. On top of that, it boosts nutrient absorption, allowing your body to get more value from the food you eat. It may also support heart health by improving cholesterol levels, and many people use it to naturally detoxify the body, flushing out harmful toxins. All of these benefits can come from just 1 tablespoon a day if you take it the right way. Now, here's the part that many people get wrong. Drinking raw apple cider vinegar directly is not recommended. It's highly acidic and can damage your teeth or irritate your throat. The safe way is to dilute 1 tablespoon in a large glass of water. Use 8 to 10 ounces of water. Stir well and sip slowly. For added flavor and benefits, you can mix in a teaspoon of raw honey or a squeeze of lemon juice. Some people also add a dash of cinnamon for an extra metabolism boost. The best time to take it? Most people prefer it before meals, especially before lunch or dinner. It helps your body prepare for digestion and may prevent blood sugar spikes after eating. If you're new to ACV, start with just 1 teaspoon a day and gradually work up to a tablespoon, so your body adjusts smoothly. If you make this a daily habit, here's what you may start noticing over time. Better digestion, less bloating, smoother bowel movements, and reduced acid reflux in some people. ACV helps your stomach produce the right amount of acid to break down food efficiently. Improved energy. By keeping blood sugar more stable, you'll experience fewer midday crashes and more steady energy throughout the day. Clearer skin. Its detoxifying and antibacterial properties may help your skin look fresher and reduce occasional breakouts. Weight support. Many people feel more satisfied after meals, which can naturally reduce cravings and help prevent overeating. Stronger immunity. Thanks to its antioxidants and antibacterial effects, ACV may give your immune system an extra layer of defense. But remember, ACV isn't a magic pill. It works best when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. As powerful as apple cider vinegar is, it's not for everyone. Never drink it undiluted. The high acidity can erode tooth enamel, irritate your throat, and even upset your stomach lining. If you have stomach ulcers, severe acid reflux, or kidney issues, it's best to check with your doctor before using ACV regularly. People taking medications for diabetes or blood pressure should also be cautious, since vinegar can amplify their effects and cause blood sugar or blood pressure to drop too low. Another key point: too much vinegar can lower potassium levels in the body, which may affect muscle and nerve function. That's why you should stick to 1 tablespoon a day. No more. And finally, always choose organic, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. That cloudy substance at the bottom is packed with enzymes and beneficial bacteria, which give ACV its healing power. So there you have it, the safe, simple way to use 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar a day for natural healing. Have you ever tried apple cider vinegar before? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.